In this session, let us learn about Python file methods. Python file methods. Python has a set of methods available for the file object. Close method closes the file. Detach method returns a separated raw stream from the buffer. File number method returns a number that represents the stream from the operating system's perspective. Flush method flushes the internal buffer. isAtty method returns whether the file stream is interactive or not. Read method returns the file content. Readable method returns whether the file stream can be read or not. Read line method returns one line from the file. Read lines method returns a list of lines from the file. Seek method change the file position. Seekable method returns whether the file allows us to change the file position. Tell method returns the current file position. Truncate method resizes the file to a specified size. Writable method returns whether file can be written to or not. Write method writes a specified string to the file. WriteLines method writes a list of strings to the file. Okay friends, this is the end of part 5 Python file methods. In next video let us learn about another topic, Python keywords. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.